It's the same as any other road. Look where you want to go and the horse will follow.
Okay. Ah! I think the horse is getting skittish.
He'll be all right.
What's wrong, Pop?
Nothing. Huh?
What?
Nothing. Just keep driving. Okay.
What? What's wrong?
Don't look around.
Oh, Pop,
Hey.
those men, are they following us?
Just stay calm. See that fallen tree? When we get there, stop the wagon, jump down, and hide.
Oh, Pa.
You need to do exactly as I say, boy. Here, now! Come on! Quick, now! Okay, son, you wait here. You don't move or say nothing until I speak to you. You hear?
Yes, sir.
Head down. Okay, gentlemen. Let's see what you come calling about. What do you boys want with us?
Oh, we just want to have a friendly chat. Are you John Marston? You sure look like him.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm just here with my son.
Did you kill a fella out in Roanoke a few months back?
No, wasn't me.
That was my brother.
I see the resemblance. Pair of goddamn morons.
You're talking bullshit, mister. Kill him.
It's okay. You're okay.
What? Why? What?
It's okay. It's okay.
You gotta do something. Two of them by the stalls. They got Tom.
Get the cattle. Rich man's folly. You boys are over. The cattle are ours. And soon enough, the ranch will be up.
Who's it? New hand. Keep them coming. Oh, you're that tough guy they just took on. And I heard about you. Crap. Where's Geddy's knack? Hope you said your prayers. I lost my wind. Watch it burn! I'll be up in a moment. Go down! Jim?
They've killed Mr. Tolbert, and they've stolen my goddamn cattle.
I'll lead the way. This is gonna be the last we hear out of them. Yeah! Yeah! Right! Off your horses here. We'll be better on foot.
If you say so.
That's the place up ahead.
There's our cows. Hey! Hey! You boys been coming up to Pronghorn. I ain't got time to look after you, kid.
I'm okay. The red hand's here.
gonna be sorry for what you done. You're gonna pay, all right. You and your...
Where are you, big fella?
piss stinking, shit shoveling, backwoods, sack of no good trash.
Got more of those.
You know that woman of yours got the look of a woman ain't had a real ride in her life. She's gotta make do with some piss-poor stinking farmhand. Hey, tell her I'll let her in my seats. Long as she behaves first.